Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to give you a drone tour of the Old Harbour Interchange. Now this is a part of Highway 2000 and it's one of the only four-way interchanges in Jamaica. The Maypen has the largest interchange, which is a diamond interchange, and Old Harbour has one also. So we're going to show you the Old Harbour one today. Now to the left is the train tracks, and those tracks are actually used. The train runs from Spanish Town to Old Harbour every day, and it carries students. This is the first leg in getting the train service up and running back in Jamaica. Now, to the right, that is Highway 2000. That's the highway that goes from Kingston to Old Harbour. It actually goes all the way from Kingston to Mandeville now, but we are out in Old Harbour. So we're going to show you the interchange. We're just flying out and then we'll come back around. Now, Old Harbour is the fastest growing town in Jamaica. The fastest growing town. And a major reason for it growing so fast is the highway. You can get from Kingston to Old Harbour 15 minutes. You can get from Portmore to Old Harbour. You can get from Spanish Town to Old Harbour in even less than 15 minutes. So as a result of this, people can live out in Old Harbour where the property values are a lot more reasonable. And you can live in Old Harbour and get to work in Kingston and be in the city within 15 minutes because of this highway. So we're just going to show you how developed, how many houses are over here. Look at that. Look at that. So when we say it's the fastest growing town in Jamaica, we were not exaggerating. Look at the amount of homes out here. Alright, so we're now going to fly back over to the interchange so you can see the exits and the entrances. Alright, so we're now flying in the direction from Kingston to Old Harbour. So on the left now, that's the exit to go into Old Harbour. And on the right, when you're leaving Old Harbour, that's the exit you use if you're heading to, the entrance you would use if you're heading to Kingston. And on the right is the Total gas station. Now, one of the reasons why this interchange works so well is you don't have any toll plaza out here. You can get on and off the highway without having to go pay toll or going through a toll plaza. Now look at the gas station on the right. You can easily exit, go to the gas station and get back on quite easily. Same thing on the left. You can exit the highway, go into one of the housing developments and get back on the highway and head in any direction you want. Now this was built before the Maypen interchange. So I think people saw how well this interchange worked, and that's why they included the Maypen interchange further down the road. Now originally, they weren't planning to build a diamond interchange for Maypen, but it was added to the project after the project started. And it's working well. So you see on the left now, you exit to go into Old Harbour and then you go under the highway. This is the model for which they should build all the interchanges in Jamaica going forward. Some places some other entrances, you can only get on the highway in one direction because there is no underpass for you to get on the other side. So going forward, as they expand this road is Highway 2000. It currently goes to Mandeville. Then it's going to go from Mandeville to St. Elizabeth, Hodges in St. Elizabeth. So I hope when they build those exits and entrances, they build them like this. They build them properly with the underpass and the diamond interchange setup. And then from Hodges in St. Elizabeth, the highway is going to go to Montego Bay. And then from Hodges, it's also going to go to Negril. So hopefully this is how they do it. Now, in some cases, they actually build roundabouts, but this is a far more efficient way to build the interchanges, to get on and off a highway. All right, guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Now, to the left is a massive housing development, and behind it is another one that's going to be built. We're going to give you updates on all of them. And on the right, you can see the train line is there. I don't think this line is probably used by the bauxite companies, but not for passenger travel. Massive housing developments, and more are being built. We'll keep you guys updated on all of them. And these are nice gated communities, modern developments. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.